Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'll show you how to fix the common H1 heading issue in the Shopify Dawn theme, a simple change that can dramatically improve your store's SEO and help search engines understand your pages better. Stick with me through this short tutorial, and by the end, you'll have a more search-friendly header and avoid the duplicate H1 problem that many Dawn theme users run into. So let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're working with the Dawn theme, which is Shopify's current default. If that's the theme you're using on your store, you're in exactly the right spot. No need to download anything extra. Now, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything for your store. From here, click on Online Store in the left sidebar, and under Themes, you'll see your live Dawn theme. Look to the right of its name, and you'll notice three little dots, sort of like a menu button. Click those dots, and from the drop-down that appears, select Edit Code. This is where we'll be making a tiny change that makes a big difference. Once you're inside the code editor, you're going to see a long list of files on the left. Don't let this intimidate you. All we need is one specific file. It's called header.liquid. Think of this file as the blueprint for everything that shows up in your store's header at the top of every page. You can use the search bar at the top of the files list to quickly find it. Just start typing header.liquid until it pops up, and click on it to open. With the file open, we want to locate everywhere the theme uses an H1 tag in the header, which, in Dawn, often leads to every page's header getting a big H1, not just on the home page. To do this efficiently, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard, or Command+F if you're on a Mac. This brings up the search function inside the code editor, so you won't have to scroll endlessly. Type H1 in the search box. You should see every instance highlighted right there in the code, making it really easy to spot the lines we want. Here comes the crucial part. And don't worry, it's just a quick swap. Carefully replace each instance of H1 with div. So for example, if you see, just change it to. What you're doing here is telling Shopify not to use the main heading tag for your site title in the header. This ensures that each page can have its own unique H1 for search engines, instead of repeating the same heading across every single page, which can confuse search rankings and hurt your SEO. Go ahead and click Save once you've made your changes. The Save button is right at the top of the code editor. Take a breath. Sometimes it takes a second for Shopify to process, so don't panic if you see a little spinning wheel. And that's it. You've just fixed the H1 heading issue in your Dawn theme. This simple tweak means your homepage and product pages can each have their own relevant H1 tag, which is fantastic for SEO and helps search engines best understand the structure of your site. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button below. It lets me know these videos are helping you out. If you got stuck or have any questions about customizing your theme, drop a comment and I'll be happy to help. And if you want more clear, practical Shopify tips like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.